Welcome to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel. Today our topic is conjunctions. There are two types. They are coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join the words, phrases, clauses of equal rank, and subordinating conjunctions join the words, phrases, clauses. One depends on the other to complete a meaning. Examples of coordinating conjunctions are and, but, it, for, or, and so on. Examples of subordinating conjunctions are after, before, when, as, if, while, than, and so on. Let us see the examples. KCR is not only famous in his state but also in his country. Here he is famous in the state and also in the country. So the word not only should come after the word famous. Here this should not be used. KCR is famous not only in his state but also in his country. She knows singing and dancing. This sentence is correct because singing and dancing are of equal rank. She knows how to sing and dance. This is also correct. Sing and dance are of equal rank. Now let us see some rules in the conjunction. The word though should be followed by yet, as should be followed by as if it is in the positive case, so should be followed by as if it is in the negative case, either should be followed by are in the positive case, neither should be followed by nor in the negative case, other than, scarcely, when, hardly, when, both should be followed by and, such should be followed by as. Not only should be followed by but also, lest should be followed by should, no sooner should be followed by than. Let us see the examples. First example, a famous doctor in my town not only helps the poor but also the middle class. Here he is helping both the poor and the middle class. So the conjunction not only should come after the word helps. Not only a famous doctor in my town helps not only the poor but also the middle class. Second example, my friend is not as healthy as I am. This is a negative sentence. So my friend is not so healthy as I am should be used. You take this TV carefully lest it will be broken. So if lest is used, the word should be used. You take this TV carefully lest it should broken. Next one, she is such a brilliant girl that I expected. Here such should be followed by as, so that should not be used. She is such a brilliant girl as I expected. Fifth one is I did not go to America. I did not go to. We can write this in a single sentence. I went neither America nor Russia. Sixth one, both Ravi as well as his wife and children are going to movie. The word both should be followed by the word and, so as well as is wrong and should be used. Seventh one is run fast lest you should not miss the train. Here lest should be followed by the word should. So run fast lest you should miss the train is correct. Eighth example, scarcely I had reached there than the program started. Here scarcely should be followed by the word when. Scarcely I had reached there when the program started. No sooner did the boy go out than his father came. Here then should not be used. No sooner should be followed by than. 10th one, although she is beautiful but she is gentle. Although should be followed by yet. Although she is beautiful yet she is gentle. Even if he is hungry yet he can't beg. Here even should be followed by but. Even if he is hungry but he can't beg. He is either a teacher else or a political leader. Here either should be followed by the word or. Here else should not be used. She is neither intelligent or laborious. Neither should be followed by the word nor. She is neither intelligent nor laborious. He is neither good at physics nor at maths. Here the word good should come here. He is good neither at physics nor at maths. He is not good in both the subjects. That is, he is not good in both physics and maths. Though he is poor but he is honest. Though should be followed by the word yet. Though he is poor yet he is honest is correct. Rule number 2. The word that should not be used for WH words or in imperative sentences. Example, she asked me that what my name was. Here that should not be used. Second one, she asked the girl that to bring a chair. This is an imperative sentence, so that should not be used. She asked the girl to bring a chair. She said to me, work well. She advised me to work well is correct. If that is used, it becomes wrong. Rule number 3. both should not be followed by as well as, though should not be followed by but, as soon as should not be followed by then or when, because should not be followed by so, no sooner should not be followed by then or when, hardly or scarcely should not be followed by than or then. Let us see examples. As soon as Pune rings the bell, then all the students left the school. Here as soon as should not be followed by then or when. So there is then. Example 2. Because he has been ill for a month, so he doesn't come to office. Here because is used. Because should not be followed by the word so. Here so should not be used. Third example. He was not so well versed in English that as we expected. Here so should be followed by as. That should not be used. Rule 4. As soon as can be used in all the tenses. No sooner than should be used only in the present tense and also in the past tense. Hardly, scarcely, when should be used only in the past tense. Rule 5. Whether or if. Both these are used when the sentence is doubtful. I don't know if he is ill or not. Whether or. Here or is it, so here if should not be used. Whether he is ill or not should be used. I can't say that she is going to Mumbai. Here there is a doubt whether she is going to Mumbai or not. So here that should not be used. If she is going to Mumbai. I can't say if she is going to Mumbai or not. Here or is used. So here whether she is going to Mumbai or not is correct. Here or not is not there. So if is correct. Here or not is there. So we should take whether. I asked him whether he was coming. Here whether should not be used. If should be used. If he was coming. He was doubtful that she would come. Here doubtful. There is a doubt in the sentence. So that should not be used. We can either use whether or if. Both we can use. We doubt if they help us or not. Here or not is there. So if is not correct. Whether they help us or not is correct. Rule 6. As because should not be followed by so or therefore. Ago should be followed by that. At example, as he is fat, so he runs slowly. Here so should not be used. Because he is intelligent, therefore he gets good marks. Here because should not be used. Because this should not be followed by the word therefore. It was 10 years ago since his mother died. So ago should be followed by the word that. That his mother died. It was 10 years ago that his mother died. Rule 7. Word until is used for time and the word unless is used for condition if not. Example, you can't reach the station until you take a taxi. So here until should not be used. Unless should be used. Second one, until you work hard you can't pass. Here also until should not be used. Unless you work hard you can't pass is correct. Until he doesn't come I shall wait for him. Here until is correct but here doesn't come should not be used. Until he comes I shall wait for him is correct. Until she doesn't complete her project I will stay with her in Delhi. Here doesn't should not be used. Until she completes her project I will stay with her in Delhi is correct. Rule number 8. When should be used when two actions takes place one by one and while should be used when two actions takes place at a time. When I am in Delhi he is in Chennai. Here the two actions are taking place at the same time. So here when should not be used. While I am in Delhi he is in Chennai. While he reached the station the train had already left. Here both the actions are taking place one by one. So here while should not be used. After the train left the man came to the station. So when he reached the station the train had already left is correct. Other conditions, when should be used with V2 or short actions and while should be used with V4 that is V1 plus ing or long actions. Example, when I reached home the children were playing. Here reached is V2. So when I reached home the children were playing is correct. While the children were playing I reached home. While should be used with V4 or V1 plus ing. So while the children were playing I reached home is correct. If you like my explanation, please like and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Let us discuss about preposition in our next video.